In this video, we'll show you how to load paper into the cassette. Open the front cover. Slide out the cassette until you hear a click. Open the paper guides by sliding the right paper guide to the edge. Now, let's load the paper. Load A4 or letter size paper with the printing side facing down. Take care not to load the paper past the limit mark on the paper guide. Align the paper guides with the edges of the paper. Take these steps if you're loading smaller size paper. Insert the paper with the printing side facing down until it touches the far end. Don't load the paper in landscape orientation, or the paper might jam. Make sure the loaded paper doesn't exceed the limit mark on the paper guide. Align the paper guides with the edges of the paper. Don't slide the paper guides in too much or the paper may misfeed. Slide in the cassette until you hear a click. The paper information registration screen appears. Use the right or left arrow to match the paper size and type, pressing OK after each selection. Slide out the paper output support. Then, open the output tray extension. The paper loading is now complete. Thank you for watching.